Here we are, Drone Hypnotics, Kelby and Courtney in Eugene, Oregon. We just picked up our brand new 2025 ATC toy hauler. This thing is an absolute beast of a trailer, off-road camping. It's got giant solar panels, inverter. It's got everything you could possibly need. We're going to do a full video breaking that camper down soon, but for the time being, we're checking out Armitage RV Park here in Oregon. We needed a place to stay for the night. We just looked up a couple local RV parks. This place looked good. Did a little drive-through. The staff was super friendly at the front. There are some really cool trails that back up to the McKenzie River. Actually really nice. You can see some off-road trails here, and then we even had some nice paved trails up at the top. Big beautiful trees. I think we were there at the right time of year. Yellow and red leaves falling, blue sky, so it was just absolutely beautiful. This trailer is a beast, guys. Y'all are gonna love it. Y'all gonna want to see all about it. We're super excited. We're basically traveling in this thing and we're testing it full time, and we're gonna put together a really great video. So y'all make sure to like and subscribe. Turn that notification bell on so you don't miss our updates, and we'll see you on the next one.